Hi, it's Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert. In this video, we're going to talk about 3 ways to use power shears. Now, when it comes to power shears, you have a bunch of choices. You can actually buy a tool that's dedicated to just cutting metal, or you can buy an attachment to go on the end of an impact driver, which is what I'm going to demonstrate today. Power shears are great. If you have to do a lot of cutting, it really makes a lot of sense to buy this accessory for your impact driver. It's terrific for doing straight cutting very quickly. You can make curved cuts in one direction, typically left to right, and you can also use it for straight cuts on different materials like aluminum or sheet metal. It's a really useful tool that can do a bunch of different production cutting for you and save you time and effort. Coming up next, my video on the difference between hand tin snips and power shears.